Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to search privately, avoid saving your queries and keep your activity confidential, using incognito mode in Perplexity AI is the best option. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to use incognito mode in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing first, open Perplexity AI. So go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app, start a new session, okay, and be ready to go private. So now access settings, okay, so type or tap your profile icon, open settings, okay, look for privacy options, okay, so we have here many options: accounts, preferences, personalization. Find incognito and enable incognito mode. Okay, so turn on incognito mode or private mode. Your session becomes private. Okay, so now it's activated. Okay, so start searching, ask anything, latest news today, sensitive topic questions. Okay, queries won't be saved, so it's a private browsing. Okay, you can check indicators, so look for incognito icon. Okay, private session label confirms it's active because it's always verified. Okay, so understand what changes. So incognito mode, no history saved, no personalization, no stored queries. It's a cleaner experience. Okay, so use it for sensitive searches, ideal for personal questions, research topics, temporary searches. Okay, so stay discreet. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.